Over the past several generations, so I'm talking 10, 20, 30, 50 years, and even longer, the whole complexion of Fall River has changed dramatically.
Fall River, Massachusetts, which is considered a gateway community. Obviously, years ago we had a very robust mill workforce, and obviously that has, gone down significantly over the decades. Looking back at the past 25 years, our unemployment rate has been as high as 20.2%.
Historically, Fall River has always been a major force in manufacturing. So as you drive around Fall River, you'll see things like our medical building, which are actually factory buildings that are no longer actively involved so much in manufacturing. The buildings that we're in, actually this building is probably 150 years old. The walls are granite. They're 3 feet thick. There's plenty of space here, and it's very recognizable. So for us, it's an opportunity to take a building that's already been here, and unfortunately it doesn't have the same purpose that it had as a linen mill for all of those decades, but it's a great, strong building that can be refitted for our purpose as a medical facility. We have a long relationship at PrimaCare with Diman, mainly because so many of the employees at PrimaCare went to high school at Diman. There are other high schools in town, but that one particularly has been helpful to us over the years because of the training programs that they have.
That the straps end up on. Diman trains students to be employable. Our goal is to train technically skilled workers who are equipped to go out into the workforce and meet the challenges of today's work industry. It was excellent. You did a really good job.
We have a health assisting program, which predominantly is a nursing track.
Diman is a 2-week on, 2-week off. So 2 weeks you're doing academics, 2 weeks you go to shop, or you go out into the field that you're in. So for me, I'd go to academics for 2 weeks, and then I come to PrimaCare for 2 weeks.
Cooperative education allows for the student, rather than come to school and get their vocational or technical training, to actually go to the workplace and earn money and learn about the trade at the same time.
Certification bracelet. When health assisting, we learned how to have patient communication, so that helps me here a lot as I'm with patients all day, every day, whether it's on the phone or face-to-face. We also learned height and weight, which that helps me here because I take patients' vital signs. I do height and weight, blood pressure, check their oxygen.
PrimaCare, over the next 10, 20 years, they're going to need more medical assistance. Getting them into the pipeline is difficult for them. They would prefer to have us train them so that when they get employed there, that cuts down on the amount of training that they have to do, and they immediately are ready to be employed in the workforce.
In the biggest picture of all, what we're trying to do with the youth in Fall River is give them motivation to stay in Fall River, to equip them with the skills that they would need really anywhere to enter the workplace, and perhaps selfishly, since we're in the world of medicine, and since healthcare in Fall River probably employs 20 or 25% of the workforce here, what we're doing is we're helping to train people who could eventually come and work with us or for us.